No, why is there a lot of them? Why is my book not like this? All the pen is now doing
Right.
it's
And
just
it's also dirty.
and see if I just. And if it's time for rubber, you tell me. And you know it's only these big rubbers we put.
Ready and what?
And how come there's one potato that is green?
I don't know. Did we bring brush?
Brush, no. I thought all was asking that you need brush that time. Rubber?
You say it's 4, right?
Yes. Let me give you first pink.
No, I'm not starting at the back. Give me another color.
Then
No,
what?
the pink.
You're starting from the back?
Mm.
Okay, so who's purple? Purple is the last. Then going to.
I won't.
Who is it? Hi.
I want to.
Oh, stop that. Mommy, see. 2 strokes.
No, stop doing that.
But I won't.
Oh, you say you won't. Oh, now let me just clean something. Because the hole is there. The hole is leaving me. It's colorful.
Huh?
Yes.
Huh?
The lemon and the yellow. Actually, everything came well though. It was still as if I am clean it. Mommy, wait, do I need to steal it?
I'm getting it.
Huh?
I'm getting it.
But I'm still not fitting.
Well, you got to sit down until you clean it though. Not all the
No,
time.
leave that one.
And also Ola. Also Ola. Then that is they're going to see the beautiful look of it now. I thought you're going to, Mommy, I thought you're going to put it at the end of when you're done with the hair.
Ola, stop touching that thing. You're shaking it.
But I'm hungry.
If I finish.
Jesus. Mommy, I need how to even put it.
Magan. Okay. Very good.
Mommy, you're so good to use rubber for this thing. Oh, I get colorful rubber too. The color of this thing is not here. Okay. Hey.
Sorry.
Take. Why is it very tight?
Is it tight?
Why is that very tight? And what is this thing? Okay. What is it? What do you eat?
I'm touching it.
This one is pregnant, eh? Okay, is the baby also going to die? And why is Ola even saying that I should not shout when I'm not even shouting?
She wants to tell you that she's sleeping.
I get to be using big glove. Eh? Eh?
You want to use the big glove?
Yeah, do you want to use it?
I don't know.
I'm just telling you. When I thought this one, they put it together. They put it together. And the cream that I wanted to give you. Your hand made me to try it. Someone called you again. Huh? I have no. Are you sure it's not WhatsApp? If it's. Mommy, I'm hearing of WhatsApp. It's doing as if what's up. WhatsApp. We are trying for the beautiful connection. But you do it in Ghana, you know. The first one, pink. Right? You got it in Ghana. Knuckle.
Should we put it please? Should we put it please?
To disturb me at night. If you finish the video, move it.
Done.
Now you take this time.